Hey guys, are you craving something rich and meaty and hearty for dinner, but you don't want the meat? Then I've got you covered with this yummy mushroom and lentil ragu. So let's get cooking. Now this is a recipe from Food and Wine magazine that I absolutely love. And it starts with a base of lentils, which you'll boil over high heat for 10 minutes and then set aside for 10 minutes before draining. Next you'll move on to prepping some of the veggies, starting with carrots. You'll notice my boyfriend's in the background. It's a date night, so he's helping out. There's 2 types of mushrooms, and here I'm slicing them up. There's 1 pound in total. Next is garlic, 4 teaspoons if you're using jarred, or 4 fresh cloves minced. Next is 2 tablespoons fresh oregano and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Here's one of my favorite parts, 1 cup of red wine. You'll also need a half cup of Parmesan cheese and a half cup of heavy cream. Now it's time to start sauteing. After adding a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, add your mushrooms. Next, add 1 diced yellow onion. Add 2 diced carrots and 1 teaspoon salt. You'll use more salt later. Stir those all up and then let it all simmer on medium-high for 12 to 14 minutes. After those veggies have cooked down for a bit, you'll add your 4 teaspoons of garlic and just a dash of crushed red pepper. Stir that again for a couple minutes. Then add your tomato paste and let that cook down for 2 minutes. Here comes the fun part. Add your 1 cup of wine and let that simmer for 2 minutes. Next, add 2 cups of vegetable broth and 1 14.5 ounce can of crushed tomatoes. This next part will make your house smell amazing. Add your 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano, and then you'll add in your 1 cup of lentils that you cooked earlier. And lastly, 1 more tablespoon of salt. After bringing to a boil, simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, we'll remove from the heat and add 1/2 cup of cream and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. This part makes the dish velvety smooth. Now we can't forget the polenta. After cubing a pound of polenta and adding vegetable broth, we bring that to a simmer over medium heat in a small pan. And I put my boyfriend to work here. He's doing a great job. Finally, stir in a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Dinner is served. Here is our rich and hearty mushroom and lentil ragu, served over creamy polenta. And I can't wait for my first bite. I'm gonna get some of the mushrooms and the polenta, carrots, Parmesan cheese. So good, just like I remembered. Well guys, that was delicious, and I am now a member of the Clean Plate Club. So it is time to get on to some other cozy activities, but I hope you enjoyed cooking with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!